Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instructions sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000. Example, Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 3 of the 3 steps is on the analysis of the results of the data entered. Example item 3.1.01 Introduction Analysis. This program provides confidence to 1. Fabricators, who know that their bid is accurate because they have at hand the list of all parts and labor included. 2. Contractors, having the details, know bids received are accurate and they have a tool to supervise subcontractor activity. 3. Customers and/or designers know the design is cost-effective before proceeding through the bid process. As a plus, they have the information to prevent fabrication logjams. The project dimension sheet is the focal point of the dimensions. Once entered, the dimensions are populated on the appropriate cost workup sheets. Cost workup sheets have 3 tables: detail, category, and summary. The cost workup sheet is the focal point of accumulating the cost data. The cost is created by entering materials prices in the detail table only. A look at the 3 tables on the cost workup sheet starting from the bottom and going up reveals at the bottom of 1 BSE S1 cost workup sheet is the summary table. It lists materials aggregated into 10 categories, which are 1 glass, 2 substrate, 3 substrate kick, 4 inlay overlay, 5 splash, 6 molding, 7 ornament, 8 hardware, 9 frame, 10 fabricator. Each of these groups displays the values of materials, labor, markup, and number of labor minutes. In the middle is the category table. This table expands the materials summary table list of items into 43 groups. For example, the summary item glass has 10 groups in the category table. At the top of the 1 BSE S_1 cost workup sheet is the detail table. It lists every material item and every labor process. Glass items are the first 156 rows of the table. The detail table is literally an item list of the entire set of materials and labor processes in a component or part. Data is entered only in the detail table. The majority of the data entered is prices. A few dimensions are entered on the cost workup sheet. The detail table ties together the item, its description, the dimensions, the quantity, and an array of calculated measurements needed to determine the cost. Process labor times are changed on the cost workup sheet, but it should not be frequently. All worksheet analytical functions are available to the user. The data filter may be the most used function in this application for both analytical and organizational evaluations, particularly what-if tests. The project cost summary sheet combines the various components for analysis. The information is used to analyze characteristics of the entire fixture, such as cost per foot or per cubic feet, or labor dollars or hours per foot, or cost per section. This example 3.1.1 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 3.1.02.